All right, here we have the Ulanzi TT09. This is the VideoGo travel tripod. Now it is lightweight-ish, like compared to like real tripods, like big tripods. This is definitely a lot lighter than that. So great for traveling because it's not going to take that much like weight requirements. This one right here is the Arca mount, so you can put your just your normal mounts that you have with your camera can easily fit onto here. It is a beautifully designed, just look at the craftsmanship of this, like it looks so nice, that carbon fiber. Just instead of twist legs, they have these lock legs like this, and I like that a lot more because first of all, it's gonna last a lot longer because you're not constantly twisting, but also just to put them away, it's just like that, and then I love that. It does come with little spikes for the legs instead of the rubber, so if you're somewhere like grass or sand or something, we're gonna dig it in, you can do that. I also like that the legs you can lift this part up and you can adjust them at different heights. So, you know, if you're on uneven surfaces like stairs or even just like on a hillside or something like that, you can really get that, that good tripod shot from any uneven surfaces. And I do also love, first of all, this little center column. It has a hook on it so you can hang your backpack on. If you have like a heavy backpack and you want to, you know, use it as like a weight to hold it down a little bit more, that's going to be a great way to use it. But also the center column can come off and go the opposite way so you can get those low to the ground shots with your camera. There's a lot more going on with this, but I really want to focus more on this part right here. So this handle, for one, yeah, you can go pan and tilt on it and you can lock it into place if you need to, but this handle, when you open it up like that, you can put this on different angles as well, but it has like a spring action to it, so it is so fluid. Like you have no idea like how, like if you did this, if you like, this would be so easy. If you had a big camera and you had like a zoom lens and you needed to follow something with a zoom lens, you'd be able to do that with this no problem without like that jerky motion or something like that. It's great for that, or cinematic like feel that you need to get when you're panning. Oh, it's just so good. The other thing I want to share is what's in here. So in here you have a tool so you can tighten things down, but also it gets cooler. On this side you have all of the tools that you need on all of these things here. So if you need to tighten these Allen keys or tighten different spots, yeah, you can use this for that. And I think that's so cool to have a secret compartment in the handle. It's a great tripod if you're looking to like step up your photography or videography like setup, especially if you're traveling, if you're going somewhere and you just want something a lot more reliable, something that you're going to be proud of. This is going to be the tripod to get. Highly recommend it, and thanks for watching.
Now, right.